Jaden.
Huh? You need to change them.
You're at your first IKEA. So yeah, we're up at IKEA in Michigan, and traffic was really horrible getting up here, so I'm glad to be up out of the car. Jaden, what do you think of these fancy IKEA carts? Look, they don't just go straight, they go round and round. You don't know what to do in this big old place, huh? Where's everybody going? Everybody's going upstairs? Hi, baby. Sticking tongue out. Oh, there's Mommy in her labyrinth shirt. Hi. Here we are at the big IKEA cafeteria. There's a bunch of food and stuff. What do you think? You excited? Oh, food. There's my little boy eating his food. I don't know, your chicken looks pretty good.
You want half of it?
No, I'm not eating any meat right now.
Oh, that's good. You sure that don't have meat in it?
Nope. So I got some vegetable soup and I got some pie at the IKEA restaurant. What's up, everybody? Alright, there's my new favorite drink, lingonberry and Mountain Dew. Yeah, he's getting to try new food today.
What are you doing?
Jaden, the whole spoon thing, you're doing it wrong. Wrong end. Getting pretty wild. Don't be whacking yourself.
I have a smaller spoon. I think I that one.
Ooh.
Look, we got some grip on it.
Checking out futons in IKEA. Huh? Huh? Where are you going? Be good. You're gonna flop out. No, you're not gonna flop out because you got your seatbelts on. Haha. Aww. No, don't be a bummer. Here you go, Jaden. Here's your soup. What's your soup? Jaden and I are sitting and relaxing in our fake kitchen here. It's pretty fancy. Yeah. Is that good? Is that good stuff? Num 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 num. Okay. All done.